DC5. It looks like probably a base, but yeah, there's that other Integra over there. This is gonna be just like the other one, except for an Accord, it's gonna be DC5 R6 Integra. I don't even know where it's at, but if you're in a rush, it's good to go in the middle and cut all the way down. And I hate these new rocks. Like, yeah, you drop a bolt, it's a needle in a haystack. All right, so I'm gonna cut down real quick. Eighth gen right here. I see some floor mats in there, but I don't think they're the same shape or anywhere close. There's a Prius right here. Celica GT, snag the spoiler. Like these Toyota wheels, pretty nice. The interiors are pretty cool. Yeah, these things are a lot smaller than the RSX. RSX is just built beefier. All right, here we are right here. I think I see a floor mat. They got the rear tail lights. There's a newer style bumper right there. Auto. Yeah, no mats. Seat looks nice. Oh, cool, it actually has this. But it's cut. Why do they cut it for? Jesus Christ. Damn, there's really nothing on here. They had to do this, why? Nice mirrors. Could use those, but mine are just like in bad condition. The newer style lights right here. They took the bumper, smashed. I'm pretty sure they broke them. They broke this on purpose. This was replaced. This is always breaking. And that was a real poor forgot my tools. Never do that. That's when you know I'm getting out of it. Yeah, That's a real poor match right there that they did. Fender looks nice. And it sucks kind of just looking at my car. But there was no really bad damage though. It's a thing. So it has older style skirts. I don't get this. This is an 05, but the skirts are old. It has the my style skirts where it just flares in the back, not in the front. Probably had some type of coilovers. I see a camera kit. No, just regular suspension in the front. It has a smaller base model brakes. And after looking at the code, this isn't even my same color. This is more of like a grayish color. I was actually gonna get this fender, but it's not even the matching color. I thought it was though, so. That's an 05. If that was a matching bumper, I would get it, but I kind of wanted the tail lights too, but somebody got them. So the Celica is right next to the RSX. Poor cars. Yeah, that's an auto too. Do these fold in? Yeah. Oh wait, the hood. Oh, they took the hood. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, they really needed that. I was actually thinking about getting the hood too. I didn't even know that. Can you believe I didn't even know it was gone? Is that the bumper to it? Kind of looks like the bumper to it. I wonder if the parts are stashed somewhere here. That would be funny if I find those lights. Let me see, what does that say? That's interesting. I am not toxic, just homeless plus jobless. Please don't judge me for the sign I hold. I'm not looking for a handout, just a helping hand. Well, that's pretty sad. So, all right, so let's get the hell out of here. Can that be an RSX seat? I mean, a mat? No. Oh, look at a hoverboard. I'll probably just get this for the hell of it. Even though it's cut, I'll just get it. That's a damn shame though. But yeah, I don't want to leave out of here empty-handed. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna pick this up and take this. So